Very well said. Digital marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but about the stories you tell. A very pleasant good morning to everyone. I'm Gurtej from Board Infinite team and welcome you all to the new workshop that is how to earn from the YouTube marketing. I guess everyone is ready and very excited about this workshop. For more videos like this, please do like and subscribe to the Board Infinite channel. And if you are someone who is looking to start your career in digital marketing, then check out our website www.boardinfinity.com. And within 24 hours, our counselor team will get in touch with you. So without wasting time, I would love to welcome our coach, Rashmi ma'am, who is having more than a 5-year experience in specifically digital marketing domain. So thank you so much, ma'am, for connecting with us today, and virtual stage is all yours.
Uh, Hi, and thank you so much, Gutesh, for introducing me. Let me just start my camera and let's get started, shall we?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
All right, all right. Okay, guys. I want you to, ask questions if needed. We'll be today talking about YouTube marketing. As we all know, YouTube has been one of the most popular video search engines since I think last 10 years. It's been more than 10 years that YouTube is here, and today we are going to learn how to crack YouTube. Basically, video marketing has been the way since like it's been more popular since last 2 years post pandemic, and in coming years, video marketing is going to be the primary source of uh, information consumption. So that's why it's very important to learn about the most popular and most used search engine, video search engine, that is YouTube. So let's see. We'll go here to into ways. One is learning about YouTube ads, and another one is how to grow organically. And then we will be covering how to monetize your YouTube and earn money through it, and what kind of pays do you get. So we'll be covering all of this. Let's start with the one that has less hassle, and uh, and then let's go to complicated and one by one. So first we'll talk about YouTube ads. So basically, when do we use YouTube ads? We use YouTube ads uh, when we have a bit of budget, when we want to grow a bit early, like a bit faster than other ways. That's when we use YouTube ads. That's when we use ads in any platform anyway. So, what can you obtain and achieve when you're using YouTube ads? Uh, let's cover that one by one. First, let's start with types of YouTube advertising that you can run. Now, guys, there's one thing that post you do this, you can also contact us. So I can tell you a free certification in the end of the course. You can definitely DM me, or maybe contact anybody from Board Infinity, and our team will get back to you on how to get a free certification on this. There's a proper course also that we could offer. So let's start with this. Types of video ads. So there are basically 6 types of video ads that YouTube has created so far: display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, no, long and non skippable video ads, bumper ads, and sponsor cards. So basically, let's go to them one by one. These videos are also called masthead. Basically, let me explain you one by one. Uh, Yeah, so firstly, let's see what it is, okay? So whenever you have a display ad, let me just take you one by one. Uh, because I want you guys to see one by one which ad looks it's in which way when you're actually live. So there's display ads. Basically, display ads are can you see my screen? Let me know if you cannot. I would like to answer you. So basically, can you see this picture right here? Do you see this here? This is called a banner ad. Basically, this is a banner, and the two banners will show up. This is not a video, this is like an image. So this kind of ad will be visible, and this ad is called a display ad, or also sometimes overlay ad. So basically, display ad is right here, as you can see, and then this is called an overlay ad. So these two ad formats. So wherever there's red part, this is where you will actually see your ads. All right. Now skippable video ads. So these ads you might have seen, you can skip them easily. This they only play for 3 seconds. We'll go in detail about each of them and how to utilize them. So this is there. Then long skippable video ads. These are non-skippable ads. Basically, you have to watch the whole, 1 minute, 45, 50 seconds or whatever. Then there is bumper ads. So basically, bumper ads are nothing but they are 6 seconds. Let me just, yeah. So bumper ads are nothing but 6 second ads. They are only played for 6 seconds and they cannot be skipped as well. So there are three types of skippable ads. One is there are three types of pre-roll ads. Basically, these ads are also called pre-roll ads. So pre-roll ads are basically two types: skippable and non-skippable. Skippable mein there's two types again. One is which you can skip in 3 seconds or any length. It can be of any length. You can be like 15 seconds up to skip, 10 seconds to skip, 7 seconds to skip. And then there is bumper ads, which only 6 seconds. It will play and it cannot be skipped. So these are the main ads, and then the sponsor cards. So by the end of the video, you can see a few cards that are popping up, and these are sponsored ads. So these are the six kind of popular video format, ad format. All right. Let me just put this here. Now let's go one by one about each of them. So we already seen YouTube video ad. We know about pre-roll ads now. Like what are they basically? In video ads. So when the video is playing, what kind of ads? Wherever you see red or blue, that is the place in this image where you'll see the actual ad. So MPU ads, basically, these are the ads when you're searching and you can see, a display ad. This is called MPU ad. This is also a display ad, by the way. And then there's promoted video. So you can actually promote your video. You can be like, hey, whoever is seeing X kind of video should also be seeing my video. So you can promote this, promote your video. Then there's annotations. Now the blue ones are actually annotation is not actually an ad. It's like a card. It's like the card that we've seen here in the sponsor card section. So it's like a sponsor card. It can be organic, like this is again an organic way, and also you can turn on ads. So ways to promote your videos, products, and services on YouTube. Basically, these are the ways: ads or no ads. One another thing that we haven't covered yet in previously was masthead ads. So masthead is basically like a banner on YouTube. So whenever somebody bounces on your channel page, they will see a banner. So this is called a masthead ad. So I believe these are all the kind of ads: mobile ads, self-explanatory, YouTube pre-roll, in-video, MPU, promoted, annotations, and yeah, again. So these are the ways which you could use to promote your videos on YouTube. Now, when to use which type of ad format? So in-stream skippable ads. So these ads are good for basically all campaign objectives. You can use for first touch point branding. Basically, when you want people to educate or make aware about your product or your service or your channel, in fact. So what you'll do is you'll use skippable ads, because when the very first time you see them, you don't want to be coming off as somebody who's very pushy and annoying. That's what inskippable ads can do to you. So skippable ads are the safe bet for you. That's when you can use. And here, first to 3 seconds matter. All right. So first to 3 seconds matter here. Next is in slate. Basically, what is a slate? Okay, you'll hear this term in YouTube marketing a lot. In slate marketing. Slate is basically nothing but like how this is a slate for me. So when you open YouTube, let's just open YouTube and let's see one by one. So just a second, this is like a premium account. I'll just go and show you an account which is not premium. So maybe let me just open this in an incognito window. That will help you a lot. Hmm, okay. Also, when you want to know what do you call spy on your competitors, always use YouTube without signing up in an incognito mode. So that will give you the best results about spying on who is doing what kind of ads are being run. Because ads run on customization, and when you're running from your personal, when you're browsing through and searching from your own personal account, the ad is, that you are being served will change accordingly. I believe whoever who's aware about a bit about ads, they will know this. So let's just see. Let's open this video right now. So this is basically. So now what you can see here is basically a skippable ad. Skipped it. This is 3 seconds. Now this is what you call slate. Whatever you see here will be considered in an in-slate ad. All right. So this will be an in-slate ad. I hope you understood what does it mean when you use the term in-slate. So right now let's go and see why will you use anything that's in slate. It will be for storytelling, repositioning your brand, or customer retention. Basically, when a customer has come to you, they have come on your website already, or they have come on your channel already. That's the time when you want to retarget them. That's when you want to show them skippable in slate ads, like overlay ads, display ads. All these ads you can show them at this point, not the in-stream ads, but other ads. So you can use this for second or third touch point when customer already knows about you. This is best when the case is they already know about you. You don't need to have a hook, but you need to have good first 5 seconds, because in video marketing, no matter it's YouTube, no matter it's Instagram, no matter where you are posting a video, in video marketing, what matters is a good call to action, firstly, and then a very good beginning. It's to the point beginning. So this is what actually matters. Now, let's see in search ads, basically promoted videos. When I say promoted videos, what do I mean? Let me tell you. So basically, there are times when you can see this is a video that you could also watch. Let's see. Let me just pause this one. Uh, let's maybe all right. So let's say promoted videos, YouTube. So I would just like to show you how actually they look when it's live. Uh, so whenever you're searching, whenever you're in a search engine, what exactly happens is that you can see something like this. Sorry. So guys, can you see the screen by any chance? Is it visible, or it's not visible? Please tell me. Is it visible by any chance?
Yes, Rashmi, it's visible.
It's visible. All right, fine. So basically the promoted videos will be the ones that will have written ads on it. Like let's search best dress, uh let's say let's just have best dress combination. So you will be able to see some kind of videos right here, where they will be written recommended, or maybe ads like promoted. There will be a promoted batch right here in this section That's when you can use in search ads. When somebody's searching, your ad should pop up. These are very, very good for making your users discover you by with the feeling of knowing you organically. So whenever you want to reach out genuinely to very, very relevant people, this is the best ad format. It pretty much works like, okay, X keyword is entered, so I should be visible to this audience. This is what it's very good for. In search ads are very good for demonstrations, storytelling, to generate response. Basically, you want to have leads on, you want to have, you want to create signups, or you want people to increase more views on your channel. That's when you will use in search ads. So uh, this would be the best case here. Now this in display ad. Okay, in display ads are very good if you are on a smaller budget, because uh, creating a video ad takes a lot of money. Now whenever you're running ad, you also have to, it's not just about ad budgets, it's also about how much money in general, in total, you're spending for a particular advertising campaign. When people are tight on budget, they tend to go for display ads. So display, and also display ads are less annoying because, okay, they're lying right there. They're good for branding, because they're just like a, what you call, they're just like your banners, like how you see a banner when you're sitting and coming up in a hotel. What happens, there is something that's getting promoted, you do see, at the same time you don't see it, but in the end of the day, that comes in the back of your head. That is exactly how display ads work on YouTube. It's very good for branding purposes, and I always recommend to have a strong CTA, because a strong CTA will is the only thing that will attract your customers. Whenever you're running YouTube ads, YouTube display ads, you should be having at least less than 6 words in your ad copy, and a very highly visible, highlighted call to action. That's what I always recommend. Now let's see one by one each of them, because when you talk about these ads, you should know in depth how these work. What are their limitations technically, what are the limitations. All right, so let's go with skippable in-stream video ads. These ads play before or during a video, pre-roll or mid-roll. Their defining feature is that the viewer can choose to skip them after 5 seconds. As an advertiser, you only pay, this is the best part here, when the viewer choose to keep watching post 5 seconds. Your ad must be at least 12-second long, so you should always have, whenever you're running these ads, your video should be at least 12 seconds long. Though somewhere under 3 minutes is always recommended. This is recommended by YouTube. Whenever you go to their guidelines, this is what they will always tell you. So make a 3 minutes ad where the first 15 seconds are bomb. They should be hooked, using this. You pay when a person has watched the first 30 seconds or the whole thing, or if they interact with you by ad clicking, or whichever comes first. So skippable in stream ads are one of the cheapest forms of ads, let me tell you, because you only pay when you have watched 30 seconds, or you've watched the whole thing, or if you've interacted with it by clicking. So that's the best way. These are also called, a new term has come up these days, which is called a true view pop-up. Okay, so true view is YouTube's pet name for payment type, where you only for an ad impression when a user chooses to watch it. I hope that's understandable. Now let's see non-video ads. For advertisers without a budget, YouTube offers non-video ads. Just now I just explained about display ads. So display appears on the right-hand sidebar and include an image and text alongside the CTA with a link to your website. In video overlay ads. So as I said earlier, there are two types of video ads. Display ad, which comes in the banner, as a banner on the top right corner, and then there is not sure if we did see that, like, let's go back. Do we have an ad? So we'll just skip this ad and see if something comes up. There's really nothing coming up. I'm not sure why is this happening. We'll come back to this again, but basically, as we have mentioned here earlier, display will be here, or you will have an overlay. So here, like this. This is how you will see your videos in display ad. Just reminding you again so that you do not forget. In video overlay ads appear floating on top of the video content and can be monetized from YouTube channels. In an ideal world, both of these ad types appear in conjunctions with related to content, but it is always not the case. Like most of the time, you can see an overlay and a display together, but there are some times when you can only see either this or you can see only that. That depends on YouTube, the feed, the person who's searching, and a lot of factors. Now, the specifications, ad specifications. So skippable and non-skippable in-stream ads on video, YouTube must be first uploaded as a regular video. So I will just let you know how you will start doing ads, okay? Anybody can run ads. You can just go to Google AdWords and start running YouTube ads. But before that, you should know what are the prerequisites. So these are nothing but prerequisites for the same. So skippable and non-skippable in-stream video ads on YouTube must be first uploaded as a regular YouTube video. So most of your part and the video ads technical specs like file size, ad dimension, ad images, etc. will be as the same as YouTube video once you're uploaded. So the exception here is discovery ad, which must confirm the following. Basically, if you want to run any other kind of video ad other than discovery ads, all right, other than discovery ads, you need to have the same specification as any other YouTube video. Basically, आपका file size X होना चाहिए, your dimensions should be Y, ad image size should be this much. So all these things should be as same as how it is a normal YouTube channel and how you upload one. So how does discovery ads go? Your file formats should be anything out of AVI, ASF, QuickTime, Windows Media Player, M4 or MPEG. Video codec, these are the three codecs that you need to have, either of them, not all of them, either of them. Either MPEG2, MPEG4, H246, audio codec, AAC, LC or MP3. Aspect ratio 16 is to 9 or 4 is to 3 is recommended, but YouTube will automatically adapt the file depending on the aspect ratio, because these days YouTube want to be much more flexible considering its video platform competitions that have come up due to Instagram, Reels, IGTV, and other things. Frame rate 30 frames per second and maximal file size 1 GB. Now, how long your YouTube ads should be? So here's a length guide for you. Minimum let's see, minimum length for skippable ads is 12 seconds. At least आपके पास 12 seconds का ad होना चाहिए. Skippable ads should be 3 minutes. Skippable ads on YouTube for kids. So there's two categories. One is a normal category and another one is for kids. So for kids category, it should be 1 minute because YouTube believes that kids should not be watching a lot of advertising that can, divert their mind, and that would be much more explicit on their psyche. So that's why only 1 minute is the limit here. But normal skippable ads should have 3 minutes. Non-skippable ads, on the other hand, will be 15 minutes. And in some regions like EMEA, Mexico, India, Malaysia, a non-skippable ad should be 20 seconds because in these regions, these come under basically Southeast Asia and non-English speaking regions. यहाँ पे ads का cost बहुत कम होता है, so every impression gives very less amount of money. So then and we have a lot of population here. So YouTube have decided to cope up with the less revenue that we give. We need to, increase the number of seconds that a person views an ad. And then bumper ads, it's 6 seconds. Now, this is pretty much about YouTube ads. How you will run YouTube ads, all you have to do is just go to Google AdWords, click on video video section, and then you have to just upload your videos. And yeah, if you want to have videos uploaded, पहले जाके आपको Creator Studio में run करना पड़ेगा. So let me open my YouTube and let me show you how does a Creator Studio in YouTube looks like. All right. So you click here. you can see YouTube Studio. This is where you will go. When you click here, YouTube will take you to its studio where it has multiple resources for you. All right. So this is your section. Here you will upload videos. This is your channel analytics where how many people watched how many of your videos you can see. Then there is the content, the kind of content that you have uploaded, the kind of playlist that you have made. So let me just have an account of hmm, all right. So just a second. There seems to be some kind of technical issue here. So let's just wait for the channel. Let's go to the YouTube studio in this account. Now, hmm. So basically, here are your content. Here is your playlist, the analytics for them. What are the comments that have come? You can see reach, overview, engagement, what kind of audience is coming to you. It's pretty much similar to the Google Analytics. You can also connect this to your Google Analytics and see those videos, those analytics right here. And then channel comments and mention. Who has mentioned this? You can sometimes block some comments. You can respond to them. You can decide if people can see the comments directly. Subtitles, if you want to have subtitles on consequence videos, what kind of subtitles you want, you can upload in SRT format. So these are the two videos that I've already added in two different formats. Then copyright issues, if you have some kind of takedown requests, like somebody has used your video and they were not having a right for it, this is where they will see monetization, how much money you've earned, and how many things you are, what all things you need to monetize your channel. This all will be shown to you according to your particular region. In general, you need around uh, 4,000 public watch hours in last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers to start getting paid on YouTube. We will come on this. We have a whole section for this along with Google's ad policy and everything. So we will come back to this. All right. Now there's customization. So you can have a channel trailer, you can have featured videos, you can have short videos, you can have different kind of brandings like banner image, your own profile picture, your watermark if you want to add it so it will be visible in all your videos, and your basic information, your channel description, URL, the kind of languages that you do, your website, your contact info, all these things can be uploaded here. And then there's audio library. So audio library is a function by YouTube where they provide you a lot of free audios which are fully licensed, good to use, and you will not get charged for that. So free, royalty free use music, sound effects, the ones that you like, you can just start it here and they will start to come here in this section, and then the settings. So this is a basic view of YouTube channel. Before running ads, upload a video here, and once you uploaded a video, you can select it on your Google AdWord channel, and then you can decide what to do out of it. So this is pretty much with the ads, and now I also showed you how YouTube channel looks like. Now YouTube SEO. So to get yourself, as I said earlier, YouTube is a search engine channel, search engine for videos. So why is it? Because it actually works exactly similar to a search engine. How? You go here, you will search for best PPT and see. And now if I go back and Google the same thing, okay, let's search, let's just Google also best PPT. So as you can see, both of them are actually nothing but search engines. They have literally similar stuff going on. It's just about popular topics that are going on each channels. So to beat this, you cannot just rely on ads. That's why what you do, that's why you will use SEO. Yes, you can do SEO on YouTube channels. How? So let's see a video. Just let's just open any video here and see what is happening. Let's just have maybe the first one, which is more popular. All right. So you can see a title. I will explain to you now what are other things. All right. Guys, am I like still audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, all right, all right. I just got a pop-up, so I wanted to know first. So yeah, here are the tags that you use. These hashtags. Okay, these are the tags that you can use. Here, this particular part is called a title. It's an official title. Your view counter, your date stamp, about your channel, your description about the video. Okay, this is where it comes. So this is like the basic view of YouTube. Now let's see what all we can do here. Uh, there are a few things that you can do to improve your YouTube's SEO. One is renaming your video file using a target keyword. So if you are uploading a video, what you'll do is not just go business ad 003 final.mov. Now this is something that will not hold you, like that will not penalize you, but at the same time will not help you, this kind of name. What you can do is whenever you are naming your folder, since YouTube is a search engine as well, it also has a crawler. Now crawler is nothing but a robot. It won't understand what you mean unless you actually write it down in words. So what you do is you tell about your video and what it is about in the name of the file itself. How will you do it? You will do it your keyword, you will put in your keyword, and then you'll put your whatever file extension is there. So this is how you usually go. Another thing, insert your keyword naturally in the video title. So right now, obviously, Selena Gomez video is the worst kind of example to have. But let's see about best. Let's type about best PPT makers. So as or let's say best power presentation, not PPT. Let's say presentation uh, templates. So this is what I want to see. I want to have templates. So see, the first one that's ranking has best PowerPoint templates for presentation. PowerPoint templates. Again, a PowerPoint templates. Can you see this? Here it does not have creative template, but definitely will have something in the description section as well. So see own professional PowerPoint template. Can you see this here? सब जगह पे आपको description में दिखेगा template, presentation template. Do you see the word that I am adding? So you will see it everywhere, and whichever is ranking in top 10, this is what's happening there. What they do now, what I'm mentioning, this is what they do. Insert their keyword in the video title. 60 characters you have. Rest of them can get cut off. So always have your title in 60 characters along with your keyword. Optimize your video description. So as I earlier said, if you see here, सबने यहाँ पे presentation, PowerPoint and everything they have entered already. So if we go to this person's video, okay, what's gonna happen? So let's see. If you see here, you will see presentation. So in this page already, it's like, if you can see, they have put up 3 times presentation. PowerPoint भी ऐसे ही कभी आया होगा, template the same word, you will see multiple times. So if you see how many times they have entered, this is how many times they have entered. This is why they are ranking, but that does not mean you will stuff your keyword. You have to be relevant at the same time. So this is very much important. I'm just taking example of the top video here, and you will see they are doing everything that I've mentioned here. So optimize your video description. You have 1,000 words, but after 100, you need to read more. So basically, read more का option आ जाता है. So you will have to optimize your first 100 words very carefully. This is where your keywords should fall first, and then second keyword should fall next. Then categorize your video. So how will you add a category? There are hashtags that you can do. They come under a category. There is a category tag that you can add. So this option you will get in advanced section of YouTube. So when you're uploading category section, advanced link. So you can do that. Now upload a custom thumbnail image for your video's result link. This is something, don't use clickbaits, but use something which is custom, not made by YouTube. So what happens is that if you do not select the thumbnail, YouTube will pick up a snap out of your video and then it will show it to other people. So uploading a custom thumbnail. Now use an SRT file. SRT file is nothing but subtitle file. The people who have subtitles have more watch views, because sometimes these days this is a trend that people do not actually turn on their sound, but they prefer to watch their videos just like that, because of the auto browse feature in YouTube. Like when you are browsing, you can see the video without even clicking at it, but you cannot hear the sound. So the videos that have subtitles, they get watched a lot. It means they will be put up in the priority when people are searching. Also using closed captions. Closed caption and subtitles is like basically SRT. Now add cards and end screen to increase your YouTube videos. Now cards is altogether a different thing. As I said earlier, हमने देखा था what are cards here, right here. So not ad format, but yeah, annotations. So these are nothing but cards. And how to use these cards? Let's see. So there are what are cards basically? These are pre-formatted notification that appear on desktop and mobile, which you can set up and promote your brand and other videos on your channel. Channel card that direct viewers to other channels. So there are different kind of cards. Let me go to YouTube Creator Studio. All right. Let me show you one. So for having channel cards, you need to have at least 2 videos. So let me go to this one video that I've created previously. All right, let's see what is up here. So this is how actually the creator looks. Your title, description, your video link, your file name, your video quality, its visibility, any restrictions, subtitles, end screen, and card. Do you see these two? This is where you have to see. Thumbnail, automatically it can be this, or you can upload one. You can enter this in one playlist if you have created. Uh, and then you can select all the restrictions. So this is how you actually edit a video. Now let's go. I want to add an end screen. So what is an end screen? Basically, see when the video gets over, you can see this. This is nothing but an end screen. So whenever you have an end screen, it means you can have more more what you call more chances of landing people and watching your other videos, and then in return you get more ranked. So the basically the more features that a platform has given you, you used, the better you rank. So you can select out of this most recent upload, best for viewer, specific video if you want to. So I have another video that I will say. So and I can decide कि कौन सा video कब डालना है. So this is how it will be. You can add multiple elements here. You can add playlists. You can add subscribe to my channel, and see this is how it will look. Subscribe wala. So subscribe to my channel. See another one. These all things you can use. You just have to save it, and that's it. So let me just discard these changes. This is end screen. Now let's see about cards. So there are multiple cards. Okay. playlist card, channel card, video card. So this is the card basically. Do you see this? Best market studies. So let's have a card. ये रहा. Suggested best search hashtags for SEO Instagram. So these are nothing but cards. So there are different kind of cards. Let's learn about them. Channel card. Channel card is basically direct you to your viewers to another channel. Donation cards. You will encourage other people to raise fund and on behalf of non-profit organizations. This is I think probably available in US and not in India. Fan funding, to ask your viewers about the support creation of your video content. So basically join my Patreon, buy me a coffee for $1, and all these things come under fan funding cards. Link cards, which will direct viewers to an external site. I always love to use this because I love to drive YouTube video traffic to my actual website. That's something which will get me sales, that will get me more revenue. So link cards, these are my personal favorite. These are very useful as well. um, Now poll cards, so you can ask people about question which X thing that you liked. And then video or playlist card, which link to the other YouTube content of the same kind. So these are the type of cards. Now this is basically pretty much about what YouTube has to offer: organic side and inorganic side. There's only one thing that you have to do here is YouTube SEO. But how will you do it? So then you need a few tools. Which are these tools? Ahref Keyword Explorer. So I will just show you one so that you have an idea. It's a very good tool for exploring your keywords on YouTube. This is the one that I'm talking about. Or you can also use keyword generator. All right, so dono tools alag hai, by the way. Generator will auto generate keywords for you. You can discover keywords, while Explorer, it will give you much more detailed insights about things, and that will help you a lot. Canva to create your thumbnails, to create your video banners and any kind of image assets. HubSpot content strategy. So basically, it's a very good tool. Let me show you HubSpot content strategy. So basically, just a second. This is in the one HubSpot content strategy, YouTube. So basically, HubSpot has a SEO marketing software tool. You can use this tool in its product section to see your content strategy, to decide what kind of things you want to post, or you can use other tools like to decide what topics you want, like maybe uh, content row, content drip. These are the two kind of tools. Like let me show you this also. Content content row. Yeah. So content row it's a very good tool. I pretty much use it all the time. So they have great tools. They have trending topics. They have headline analyzer and headline generator to generate your headlines when you're out of ideas. To see what are the topics that are going on. You can explore your topics, score your headline, identify the related topics. So this is all you can do with Content Row, a very awesome tool. I always recommend for creators. No matter what you're creating, it will give you good amount of insights. So it's very good. Then there is vidIQ Vision. Basically, it's nothing but a video editing tool you can use, or TubeBuddy, again a video editing software, and Kaif. So these are the tools that I always use and I always recommend to use. You guys can screenshot this if you want and maybe explore it later. There might be free alternatives for this as well. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, some of them are freemium. So do know that. Now let's talk about what everybody wants to know, monetization on YouTube. So according to YouTube Partner Program, you need to at least have 1,000 subscribers to be eligible to monetize your account through their program. So how will you earn through YouTube? You need to have signed up as a program partner. Let's just go here and see the monetization section. So let's see monetization. As we see here, it says 4,000 public views, 1,000 subscribers. That is what they need. Every for every what you call channel, for every country, there is a different YouTube policy for monetization. But here are a few things that you need to know before you start talking about monetization. So there are 10 numbers to monetize. These are the few of them. Advertising revenue. So you can monetize on YouTube by advertising. Get ad revenue from display, overlay, and video ads. Channel membership. Increase your membership and make your recurring payments in exchange for special perks that you offer. Merch shelf. Basically, have your own official merchandises bought by your users. Super chat and super stickers. So basically, I'm not sure if you're aware of this. This is not a very popular um, feature in India, but your fans pay to get their messages highlighted in chat streams. You can use their chats and all to get paid. YouTube premium revenue. Get a part of YouTube premium revenue when people watch their content. So basically, if I've purchased premium and I see your video, so whenever I have watched certain amount of video, you get paid for it as a creator. So this is pretty much about how you can earn on YouTube. Now let's talk about once you have been accepted to YouTube partner. So what you'll have to do, jab you'll have 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will say, do you want to join hands with YouTube partner program? If you say yes, you will be your profile would go for an audit, and then you will get a reply back from them, hey, welcome. And these are the basic requirements to start getting money. All right, if you don't meet all or any of these requirements, you might get less paid or not paid at all. Obviously YouTube will let you know, we are not getting you letting you pay this, like we are not giving you this payout because xxx reason has happened, and you are not eligible according to this one, and they will give you links as well. They are very transparent when it comes to it. So firstly, if you want to earn through ad revenue, all right, so ad revenue, what is the requirement? You should be at least 18 years or older. You should have a legal guardian older than 18 years of age. If you're not older than 18 years of age, and who can handle your payment via AdSense. So you get paid through AdSense. Now Google AdSense, you have to register there, you have to connect your YouTube asset there, and then you can start getting paid. Create content that meets your advertiser friendly guidelines. So they have given this guideline, you have to read. It's a big guideline. Basically it says be legal, don't promote marijuana, don't promote nudity, explicit content. So all these things, make it safe for public, where public can view it easily. So these are the things. So if you're earning through channel membership, you should have more than 1,000 subscribers to earn through a channel. To start selling your merchandises, again, you should have more than 10,000 subscribers. So YouTube channel owners who have more than 10K subscribers usually start selling their merchandises because they're allowed to do that. Super chat stickers and super chat and super stickers. So you should live in a country where super chat is available. It's mostly available in Europe and Russia. There's just a few countries, but India is not one of them. And then YouTube premium revenue. Content watched by a viewer who is a YouTube premium subscriber. So these are the exact requirements given by YouTube in their guidelines. I have summed it up here so that you don't have to go and dig up when you start earning money. Now, how much will YouTube pay for 1 million views? So channel category and approximate earning in dollars. So comedy channel, if you have a comedy channel and you have 1 million views, this is the average payout. Music channel, 1 million views, this is the average payout. $100 to $150. Tech channel, $200 to $300. Roasting channel, 250 to 400 channel. Food channel, 100 to 150. Gaming channel, 100 to 200. So these are an average. This was the average payout, which I got to know from the survey that was taken in 2020. So this is quite recent. Now let's see about some FAQs. So basically, I have always seen people asking me these questions. All right, that hey, what will happen? Kitna mujhe jaldi paisa milne wala and all this. So I have just collated all those answers in one place. These are the 4 questions. Feel free to type in comment section if you have anything, and I will reply you back as soon as I can post this lecture. So, firstly, how many Indian rupees uh, get when you have 1,000 views? Okay, when you're making videos on YouTube, the potential earning for 1,000 views will be 200 to 300 rupees. And ads pay according to engagement and clicks. YouTube is both popular and easily accessible, so you can see in your AdSense account kya hai, exactly how much amount you can earn. How many views do you need to get paid on YouTube? So views, it should be 1,000 views. The answer is 1,000 views. Uh, this is also known as cost per mile. So for every 1,000 views, you get paid, and it usually ranges from zero point 0.5 to 6 USDs, which is again around 200 to 300 rupees. I believe not 200 to 300. It would be around say 50, 60 rupees at max. I'm saying too much in only, but yeah, something around that. Based on the location of reviewer and the target audience, you can it can vary. Basically, if your ads are visible in Korea, so maybe the ad revenue would be a bit less than compared to US. And if your ads are visible in Europe, maybe it will be the ad revenue will be more compared to US. So har jagah ki audience alag alag. If you are getting paid in India, India traffic is the cheapest, so a lot of people don't want to start channels that are directed toward Indians, because in India, if you are on starting a channel for Indian audience, you're gonna get paid very less. That's the truth. So they don't do it. YouTube, do YouTubers get paid if you skip ads? So with more traditional TrueView ads, a YouTuber will earn money. Now there's this thing, okay, there used to be a problem back in the day that people never used to get paid if people were skipping ad. Now YouTube has gotten with, they have come up with TrueView ads. Basically now a YouTuber will earn money if the ad is watched for at least 30 seconds. Assuming the ad is longer than 30 seconds, uh, if you skip before that, no money is paid by the advertiser, so no money is earned by YouTuber. You might have seen a lot of YouTubers saying, "Hey, don't skip the ad, do watch the ad." That is because they want to let you know that they earn money through this, and if you don't do it, it will be helpful to get them paid. That's why. So that's how it is. Do YouTubers get paid for like? YouTubers do not get paid for like. But like is a very good form of engagement which will help you and your audience in a very good way. So your channel will get more integral in algorithm and searches. You'll rank, you will have what you call, you will start to get ranked a lot. So all these things will happen. Now I believe that's pretty much it, what you need to know about YouTube. If there's anything else that you want to know, that you want to ask, feel free to add in comments section. I am pretty much done with whatever I could tell you now. To know more, you can maybe sign up a few, another thing, yeah, another thing is that there is a free certification for YouTube. As I said in the starting of the video, that I will be letting you know how to start earning money. So yeah, there's another way to earn through YouTube is understanding YouTube in and out, basically learning how YouTube works, and then working for other YouTubers or aspiring people who want to grow in the feed of YouTube. So basically YouTube marketing, learning YouTube marketing. But for this, you need 2 things. One, you need to be a digital marketer by profession. For that, you need to do some professional courses. And another thing that you need is um, YouTube video ad courses. So you can find this on YouTube, Google Academy, Google Skill Academy in YouTube and videos. Yeah, YouTube videos. So you can just go there, see their LMS, learn from there, read about it, and then get a certification done. Remember that you need to get more than 75% to pass, and the better the percentage, the better it is for you. And then you can definitely go to other YouTubers and say, hey there, I am offering a YouTube growth program. Would you like to work with me? And then you can use all the techniques like the SEO checklist that I gave, like finding out new content, creating content, making calendars for them, and get paid through this. So this is how you can earn through YouTube. It's not just by creating videos, but also learning YouTube marketing. So I hope this session was helpful to you guys. I just want to know about your views and everything. How did you find this lecture? Do let me know. Feel free to contact me. So that's just end with it. Over to you, Gurjeet.
Thank you so much for the informative session. And dear participants, we hope that you like the entire workshop and learn something productive from it. If you like it, then hit the like button. And if you think your friends will gonna benefit from this, then do share it with your friends as well. Comment down below which workshops do you need in the upcoming Sundays. And please do subscribe to the Born in Free channel for the more video webinars, workshop, and informative videos like this. And once again, thank you so much, Rashmi, for taking out your valuable time and guiding our audience. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure, guys. Do let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting for the engagement. Have a nice day. Bye bye.